Welcome back to Lecheng Pag-ibig To. We left off with a very interesting topic the last time. We still have Doc Max Heron with us here. And i-diretso na natin. We left off by asking, ano ba ang symptoms ng ADHD? Although I personally have researched on TikTok, not the best, or ChatGPT, not the best person or not the best place to look for answers, but I guess let's hear it from Doc Max herself para at least ma-explain. Ano nga ba? What is ADHD first before we get to symptoms?
Okay, so ADHD is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. So from the statement, it's attention deficit and hyperactivity. So two components.
Parang gusto ko na i-confirm sarili ko.
Confirm!
So meron inattention.
Okay.
Hindi ibig sabihin hindi niya kaya magkaroon ng attention. It's just difficulty in sustaining the attention. Kasi we all have attention naman.
Yeah.
Tulad ngayon. Pero yung mabilis kang lumipat, gano'n, inattention.
That's a sign.
Yeah, that's the first component,
Yung
inattention.
AD.
Okay.
AD
okay.
part.
Yung
The
HD naman.
hyperactivity
Ay.
is
Yeah.
impulsivity.
Okay.
Yung parang hindi na pag-isipan pero gawin natin.
Ay, okay.
Yung hindi aligaga. So more on the behavioral component.
Confirm na naman.
Doon ako sa
Strike
pangalawa.
one. Strike
Ito,
one sa AD.
ah,
Strike
yung
two sa
mga
ADHD.
pinag-iisipan.
Kasi I think all people will say na ganun ako. Kasi lahat naman tayo may tendency to become inattentive.
Okay.
Especially if we don't like what's happening.
Okay.
Kunyari,
Para sa
like, ayoko
classroom,
yung
ganun.
subject na to.
Oh.
So, hindi talaga ako magiging attentive.
Oh.
But it doesn't mean I have ADHD.
Okay.
Ang ibig sabihin lang ng ADHD, kaya siya nagiging disorder, number one, kalat siya sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay mo. So, hindi lang siya sa work, hindi lang siya sa school, sa family din, sa relationship din. Ibig sabihin, you have a difficult time sustaining the attention. So, it's not necessarily focusing on academic work lang. Pwede rin siyang, kunyari may kausap ka, tas lipat ng lipat yung topic. Ganon. May mga kilala kayong ganyan for
Okay,
sure. Yung parang
okay.
kausap ko siya, tas biglang, alam mo yung tingin ng tingin ko san-san. Yung parang kausap mo ba talaga ako? Yung, di ba, yung hinuhuli mo siya. And kaya siya nagiging
Ba't yung kausap
impairment.
mo tapos phone ng phone?
Pwede rin yun.
Pwedeng ADHD din yun.
Oo, kasi hindi nila masustain yung focus sa'yo.
Oo.
So, kaya siya nagiging problematic kasi naapektuhan yung relationship quality. So, I'll give an example. Like, a client of mine, sabi niya na parang magpapacheck ako ng ADHD kasi yung partner ko, number one, nabubwisit na sa akin na parang di daw ako nakikinig. Totoo naman yun eh. Marami
Okay.
tayong tinatawag na executive function na hindi nagagawa ng person because of ADHD. Number one, planning. Kumbaga parang mabilis makalimot sa oras na parang, ay oo nga pala bukas yun. Wala silang sense of time.
Mhm.
Kaya sila minsan mabagal, minsan nagpa-procrastinate kasi wala pang enough stress. Mamaya na, 8 o'clock pa naman yun. Ganon.
Mhm.
Number two is meron silang organization deficit. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila organized people. Kasi nga masyadong madami.
Dami nangyayari.
Oo, hindi.
Sabihin.
Kaya yun yung mga tinuturo ko, mga
Oo.
practical things. Pag maingay ito, tulagyan natin ng organization skills.
Oo.
So majority of what we do in therapy is equipping the client to adapt to the ADHD. So marami yan. So pwedeng nangyari sa school, pwedeng nangyari, ito sa grocery, yung nakapila ka, tas parang tagal na tagal ka.
Ala, ganun ako.
Kumbaga may
Huwag ka na
distress
kasi
eh.
mag-grocery.
Sorry na po.
Grocery ka ng grocery dyan.
Diba?
Hala.
Tapos yung part din ng hyperactivity is impulsive.
Okay.
Ibig sabihin, we do something immediately even if it's may konsekwensya, bahala na. Basta ito yung gusto kong gawin.
Hala, ganyan din ako.
Kasi
Mhm.
mababa yung emotion
Check na lang.
regulation
Puro
nila.
tayo check dito.
Ako rin yan.
Yeah. And then,
Nakakailang ano ka na signs ka na, Doc Max.
tapos
Oo.
isa din na marker ng ADHD is meron tayong rejection sensitivity.
Okay.
Ibig sabihin, masyado nating iniisip yung iniisip ng ibang tao. Tapos pag may nasa-sense tayo rejection, we compensate for it.
Oo.
Kasi tandaan natin ang ADHD, lahat. So hindi lang siya sa thinking. May emotional part, may behavior part, may thinking part. So the behavior part is the one that, yun yung kinukwento ko na impulsive na, bilhin natin ngayon na, o sige, bahala na. Yan. Yung mga hindi na upuan, tapos parang wala silang sense of, ayaw nga, mali nga yun. Hindi sila masyado nag-iisip ng plano.
Ito ba yung mga buy now, think later?
Oo.
Naku, may papakalanan na naman ako sa episode na to.
Mga ganyan. Bahala na.
Sige, buy now, think
Pero
later.
alam mo, the crazy part about that is
Okay.
that person, the ADHD person, is actually creating the cycle unconsciously. Let's say, bilhin ko na yan kahit magkano yan. Okay, so binili niya, impulsive siya, tumaas yung stress niya. Nang tumaas yung stress niya, nagka-inattention at hyperactivity siya, ikot na naman siya doon. Kaya ang lahat ng disorder or diagnosis, lahat yan cycle. So for example, ang anxiety lumalala pag ina-avoid. So kunyari like, oh may recording tayo bukas, hindi ako pwede. So in-avoid mo, nagka-relief ka, the next time na ma-invite ka, doble na yung anxiety mo.
Kumaga nag-patch ka lang. Hindi mo sinolve yung
Basta
problem.
pag nahuhuli natin yung sarili natin nag-worry, tapos ina-avoid, iikot yan. Lalala ulit yung, kaya cycle ang lahat ng mental health disorder eh. Katulad ng depression. Depression naman is yung wala akong gana. So hindi ko gagawin. The next day, mas wala kang gana. So, wala ka na naman gana. Kaya kailangan natin i-break lahat ng pattern. Lahat ng ginagawa natin sa therapy is understanding ano yung cycle na stuck ka. Kasi you're in the cycle.
Sorry, really quick. Is ADHD and anxiety connected?
Yes, lahat ng disorders in a way nag-overlap. So, for example, ang anxiety kasi, this is rumination. Like you're worrying, you're thinking of the future, and you're thinking of the worst thing that can happen.
Yun.
With ADHD is because ang ADHD kasi maraming misfire yung brain eh. Ang dami niyang iniisip.
Oo.
Technically, pretty much like anxiety kasi iniisip mo na may gagawin ka, may problemahin ka, sinosolve mo na in that moment. But meron din siyang overlap with bipolar kasi ang bipolar may manic.
Sa ADHD?
Hindi, so ADHD is a different diagnosis, anxiety is a different diagnosis, bipolar is another different umbrella.
Pero lahat to overlapping?
Meron silang overlapping component.
Okay.
Kaya natin kailangan i-distinguish kung ano yung mismong specific struggle is because medications will not work for bipolar and ADHD.
Pero pwede bang sabay bipolar ka tas ADHD ka?
It's very rare but it can happen. The thing with bipolar, so let me define bipolar. So two polars. A lot of times, ang misconception dito is, ang saya niya kanina tas malungkot. Hindi ganun
Hindi
yan.
ganon. Yung parang ang bilis
Shift
mag-shift
ng
ng emotions.
Hindi yan bipolar.
Oh,
Ang bipolar,
really?
so kaya siya bipolar kasi dalawang poles na opposite.
Mhm.
Sobrang bagsak na energy. At by the way, hindi siya
sobrang
happy.
taas.
Yung isa sobrang taas ng energy.
Mm.
Nakakatakot yung manic part, yung mataas yung energy kasi you're out of control.
Mm.
Ibig sabihin, pinipilit mo yung sarili mo matulog, ayaw, gising na gising ka.
Mm.
Kaya siya nakakatakot kasi naka-turn off yung prefrontal cortex. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka nag-iisip ng tama. Marami ka lang energy, kaya mo siya ine-expel. Tsaka tumatagal
Paano
siya ng mga
ine-expel?
Marami, like sex or gambling.
Aha.
Yung sa sobrang taas din ng pride, confidence.
Aha.
And most of the time, nanonotice siya ng mga tao na parang iba ka today.
Yung binabanggit mo na naka-off pag bipolar ang isang tao, anong part
Pag
ng brain yun and bakit siya importante?
Prefrontal. So,
Oo.
the prefrontal cortex is responsible kasi may different functions there. You can look at it as a seesaw.
Oh.
Pag nakataas yung prefrontal, nakababa yung fight and flight natin.
Oh.
Kaya napapansin mo pag nagpa-fight and flight ang tao sa emergency, hindi sila nakakapag-isip.
Mm.
Kasi nakaganito naman. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na pagpitik ka,
Mhm.
huwag kang gumawa ng anything, kasi naka-off yung thinking part.
Mm.
So, then you have to go back to the regulation. Yun yung sinasabi ko naman na from a panic, kailangan natin bumalik sa, okay, hinga, para mag-on siya ulit.
Mm.
In a manic, di ba, ang sobrang dami niya energy. So, hindi, parang, tawag namin doon is racing thoughts.
Mhm.
Sobrang bilis ng iniisip. Yung parang, yun yung naririnig ko most of the time na ang dami kong iniisip, hindi ko ma-pinpoint. Yan. So, ibig sabihin,
Parang
nagme-misfire.
kalat lang lahat.
Kalat lang lahat. So, maraming causes yun. Ang una kong nakikita is body. Hindi, may nangyari sa body mo na nagkaroon ng imbalance, so na-trigger yung brain na, kasi tandaan natin yung, kunyari, nakulong ka sa isang island for 3 days, mag-a-adapt yung body mo doon, di ba? Hindi ka makakatulog ng maayos kasi feeling mo mamamatay ka. So, if you're putting your body in a survival mode, you are unconsciously putting this in a manic state too.
Yung ADHD, nagagamot ba yon? And
Yes.
anong ginagawa para magamot siya?
In any mental health, we look at 3 components: biological, psychological, and social. Biological, yes, meron tayong pwedeng,
Gawin activity?
medication ideally kung biological.
Okay.
Second is psychological. Ito yung mga tinuturo nating stress management or planning. Yung mga ganong kasimple lang na kanina kong
Yeah.
shinare kay Sam na Google Calendar. Those things kasi, ang nangyayari is nag-a-adapt ka sa kung paano yung brain mo.
Bagong system.
Oo. Hindi mo siya parang
Fixing your
dinadiagnose sa
sked.
anong mali
Oo,
sa akin.
oo.
Paano ko to matututunan i-adapt.
Mm-mm.
And then the third one is social or environment, which is malaking factor kasi nga, especially with what you do, the environment, meaning that's really your lifestyle. So then dito ka bumawi sa dalawa. Biological, so yung physical health mo, yung rest, yung kain, exercise, and then psychological, how to create coping that would match the stress given by the environment.
I heard this saying na in this day and age daw, halos lahat ng tao may ADHD
Yeah.
na. How true? And
Yeah.
why?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How true and why?
Kasi ano di ba sabi nga natin, attention deficit and hyperactivity. Notice how everything is on our phone.
Mhm.
We need the
Correct.
alarm clock, we need the
Yeah.
reservation for the magpapagrab ka ng grocery.
Mhm.
Lahat.
Everything's here.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So every time the brain nabobore siya, kasi sabi ko nga, di ba, kailangan natin nabobore. Pag bumabagsak to, yun yung automatic craving ng phone. Nagiging force of habit siya. So I agree 100% that a lot of people nowadays, even our elders, even
Have
the
some
old
sense
ones,
of
yes,
ADHD. Okay.
yes.
Now that we're talking about it, some people might not know they have it. Some people might be a bit aware na parang I wasn't like this before and now I'm like this. How could like these conditions affect you as a person, especially if they don't get, you don't talk about it, affect you and your relationships?
Yun.
Well, because I'll go back to what I initially said about the brain. If we are not aware of how this looks like, it's gonna keep controlling us. Ibig sabihin, we're just going by what it needs. Parang bored ako, gawin ko to. Sad ako, I'll do this. So, ang goal, ang nangyayari nun in relationships is that bumababa yung capacity mo to regulate. Kaya sinasabi ko, mabilis kang pumipitik.
Mm.
Kasi yung brain mo, umaandar siya ng sobre.
Mhm.
So, pag may stressor sa trabaho, sa relationship, nakapitik ka na rin agad. Ano? Diba? Ano ba yun? Ang ingay mo. Bad trip ka
Oo,
agad.
Akala ko overstimulated ka
Yeah.
lang.
Mainit ulo mo,
Wala,
ganun.
Mainit
oo.
ulo mo. Tapos second is that, yun nga parang ka naka-autopilot. So, yung partner mo, hindi siya feel connected sa'yo.
Yeah.
A lot of times, my clients would come to me and say, yung mga partners ng ADHD, sinasabi nila na parang, kinakausap ko, di naman nakatingin saan. Kinakausap ko, makakalimutan. Yung they feel neglected.
Mhm.
Yun. They feel like, bakit ka natatawa?
Natatawa ko kasi kakasabi lang yan sa akin ng asawa ko kahapon eh. Sinabi ko na yun sa'yo, di ba?
Yan.
Sinabi mo na.
Yan. Ang tinuturo ko naman, kunyari ganyan na yung reklamo, ang sinasabi ko sa both partners is that find a time na sa inyong dalawa lang. So kunyari, don't bring up, uy sa Wednesday may wedding.
Yun
Wag-
na
wag
nga yun
ganon.
yung problem naman sa
pa-happy
asawa ko.
Kasi pag pa-happy
Oo.
hour,
Siya yung maganon.
Siya yung gano'n na, may ganito tayo sa,
yeah.
Ikaw naka...
ay may ganun tayo. Oo, nasabi ko na yun. Hindi rin maganda yung bigla na lang,
Yes.
di ba?
Ang-
Yun yung sinasabi ko lagi. Makinig kayo ha. Kasi minsan, yung partners natin, out of nowhere, halimbawa, nagbabayad ka ng bills.
Yes.
Sa gitna ng pagbabayad ng bills, biglang may
Yup.
ipapop na,
Ako yata yung ganun.
ikaw yung nagpapop. O kami ni Esa yung pareho, di ba?
Okay, parang
Oo.
nagdi-dinner ito, sabi niya, siguro after dinner na natin
Yes,
pag-usapan yan.
I always tell that to my husband. Sabi ko, love mamaya. Kasi di ba, bayad bills oh.
Okay.
Maya yan.
Meron akong dyan,
Oo, paano
napaka-practical.
dapat? Oo.
Mag-share kayo ng Google Calendar. Tapos lagay niyo sa Google
Oh my
Calendar.
God,
Kami
he's not
nakashare.
techie.
Pero
Sure.
kasi yun yung thing, you have to adapt. Kasi
Okay.
it's gonna fall off tama yung sinasabi mo, realistic yun na may ginagawa ka. Uy, sa Wednesday, kasi ko, okay. You just said that out to acknowledge, but you didn't put it on your calendar.
Oo.
So, a system can be ganon, calendar, put it in the calendar na lang.
Mhm.
Para na in-check pa rin kayo sa mga nangyayari. So, there are coping.
Yeah.
Pero for example, like sex, intimacy, nangyayari yun yung parang dami mong iniisip. Oh my God. Nangyayari yun.
Ano talaga?
Kaya
Yung
siya
utak mo
nagiging-
nasaan-saan na.
Oo, tas hindi ka makafocus.
Nasa work eh.
Nasa
no?
work ka rin.
Ben, nandun tayo tapos nasa work.
Oo.
Oo,
Okay,
bakit?
isip mo yung Strava performance mo.
Oo, diba?
Oh my God. So may mga, pag may ADHD, madalas ganun.
Nagkakaroon ng effect sa relationships.
Okay.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
Pero may upside ba siya?
Oo nga.
Ito yung
Ay,
mga
oo.
downside eh. Kasi may nabasa
Good
ako,
question.
most of the successful people
Oo nga daw.
daw
Yes.
may ADHD.
Guys, may ADHD ako. How about that? I am diagnosed and I used to take medications. Nakita ko yung flip side ng naka-medicate. Oh, so siguro
Tell
my
us about
perspective.
it. Oo.
Sige. So, okay, I was born with it because my family did the assessments. They were all like, tawag nga ni Kuya ni Kuya Padji. Sabi niya, weirdo. Ganon,
Okay,
yung
oo.
parang yung impulsive, yan, ako yan lahat.
Mm.
Until last year, may relationship ako na yan, yun yung binibring up na,
Yeah.
parang iniiba mo yun. So, I tried you know what, sige. So, I did the medications. Night and day yung difference.
Really?
Like, literal pag-take ko, sabi ko, ito pala yung feeling ng brain na tahimik. Yeah. I'm encouraging people because it worked for me. However,
I'm
You
gonna make
also
a call.
need- Ayun na nga!
Excuse
Ayun
me.
na!
Excuse me. I'm gonna make a call
Wait,
right now.
How
Yeah,
many,
yeah.
ilang months mo siya tinake?
no.
And
one
what
take-
was the
No,
difference?
one
You can
take
tell
pa
us
lang
about
is like
it.
tahimik na. And I was very
Tahimik in a
productive.
sense na
Oh,
paano?
okay,
Gaano
okay.
katahimik?
So,
Gusto ko
Oo
gusto ko
eh.
marinig, ano ang feeling ng tahimik na brain?
Yeah. Okay, guys, perfect. Because I'm the guinea pig here. So, nung una, hindi ko naman na-feel yung need. Sasagutin ko lang yung first question mo. Ano yung upside ng may ADHD?
Yes.
We are fun people.
Okay.
Right? We carry the life. Because
Energy, the
bilis
life.
natin maka-come up ng topics eh. Yung parang,
Hindi ka maboboard sa atin.
hindi ka mabobore. Number one, masaya tayo, impulsive tayo.
Yes.
Pangatlo is that marami tayong energy.
Yeah.
So, nung una, hindi ko siya na-feel na need na, kung may ADHD ako, walang pake.
Oo.
Like, superpower
Yes.
ko to.
Correct.
Pero, dumating na nga yung time na one, di ba siya, napag-usapan natin kanina, pag may guest ka, 100% ka lagi.
Yes.
Imagine me, I meet 5 to 6 people a day.
Uh-huh.
So, there are
That's
days
draining.
na parang, di na ako makafocus. Second is like, naapekto ang sex life ko. Third, nagreklamo yung partner ko. So, parang nakita ko na, sige na nga, try natin. Isang take pa lang, kasi mga 2 hours, 3 hours, sabi ko, wow. My brain was like, parang the way I describe it is like, ito yung dami ng, sabi mo na lang may mga Mentos dyan na iba-ibang kulay. Yung medication, ginawa niyang funnel. Na-access ko pa rin silang lahat pero malinis yung bagsak sa utak ko.
Ay, tara.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, wala
However,
masyadong overthinking?
wala. At saka sobrang,
Wow.
it's, you're very
Focus.
hyper-focused.
Hyper-focus.
Yes. So, yun, tumahimik yung brain ko.
Pero di ba tendency talaga yun ng mga may ADHD? Hyper-focus daw talaga.
Yes, kasi soothing yun.
Okay.
Some people cannot do it kaya kailangan ng medications. Pero may mga tao kasing naturally, like my cousin,
Oo.
may ADHD din siya, pero natutunan niya i-adapt. Mahilig siya magkalikot ng mga barel, ng mga
Naghanap siya ng...
maroon.
Oo,
Alam niya na
oo,
parang
oo.
tahimik yung brain ko pag ginagawa ko to eh. Some people need assistance though.
Okay.
Ang problema
Got it.
lang, okay? Problema lang kasi with medications is that may side effects yan.
And?
The first one,
Oo.
because tanda natin ang iba-ibang gamot yun yung sinasabi ko na importante in different diagnosis. Because if you're ADHD and you were diagnosed with bipolar, you're treating yourself in a different way, baka lalong lumala. With medications about ADHD, it's a stimulant.
Mhm.
It's an upper. A lot of people would think na ADHD, di ba dapat pababain? No.
That's what I thought.
It's an upper. It's a stimulant. You need to stimulate it. That's why most ADHD people like coffee.
They like exercising.
They like
Oo.
gising
Releasing,
sila. Yes.
Oo.
Releasing the
Kailangan
energy.
meron sila laging gagawin.
Correct,
Ganun ang
correct.
ADHD.
So then the problem with a stimulant is that what goes up is down. So ako napansin ko sa sarili ko around mga 6 p.m. to 7 nagka-crash ako. Yung crash na hindi malungkot na sad but
Yeah.
like I'm
Wala.
tired.
Drained.
Yeah.
Oo.
But it's okay because 6 to 7 is the time I wind
Correct.
down.
Pahinga na naman
So
yun.
guys, I don't necessarily push for medications. It has to align with your lifestyle first
Mhm. Of course.
because ito yung gamot na medyo mataas ang dependence.
So bakit ka nag-stop?
Ayoko na kasi nakita ko na I will just embrace my superpower, chat.
Yeah.
Meaning, I just learned to manage my stress. I'm not gonna take 5 to 6 clients. I'm just gonna be 100% with maybe 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Because eventually, your liver,
May
right?
boundary ka na
Oo.
rin.
Yun yung sinasabi ko na stress, coping, at saka pressure. Baba mo na lang yung pressure kung yung coping mo hanggang dito lang talaga.
So,
So, lifestyle change.
kung may ADHD halimbawa, yung mga nanonood or nakikinig sa atin, partner ko yan. Paano? Paano i-manage yung partner na may ADHD?
Una, create yung sinasabi ko na don't bombard them in moments na hindi sila focus sa'yo. Kasi kung may ginagawa sila tapos binombard mo, magmumukha talaga silang walang pake sa'yo kasi may ginagawa sila. So, ang suggestion ko is, every night, you come together and say, okay, touch base lang kayo every week, every day, every night, na parang, yung undivided attention.
Mhm.
Nagka-catch up kayo, parang secretary mo siya. Ganun, na parang, di ba minention ko to sa'yo kanina. Tapos pagtapos na,
Wala na.
so ako, I used to say na, kunyari, uy, may wedding tayo sa Wednesday. Sabi ko, 7 o'clock, let's sit down on this. Para
Full
na-acknowledge.
attention.
Yes.
Kesa
Kasi
yung-
sasabihin mo sa akin, nag-golf, parang, makakalimutan ko talaga
Oo.
yan.
Anong upside pagka-relasyon mo may ADHD?
Sobrang saya ng relationship.
Okay.
Oh, yun.
Funny.
Mm.
Tapos, marami. Hindi, totoo, come on.
Okay.
Di ba?
Kaya nga, nakatingin na sa
Kaya,
Kaya Lo kami.
guys,
Diba?
saya ng buhay mo, Mike, di ba?
It's never a
Hindi ka
boring day.
maboboard. Hindi ka maboboard.
Totoo. At saka, Siya and Sam, have you guys done anything impulsive that was actually fun in your relationship? You guys are like, what do you mean? No, I mean, things that you actually do, like the parang out of nowhere kind of things in your relationship,
Mhm.
like kulitan is what I'm
yeah.
saying. Because those are really good moments in relationships na spontaneous, diba?
When is the right time na, teka, pa-check na natin to?
Yeah.
Parang sige, like I mentioned kanina, at in this day and age with social media, our phones, how so we're addicted to our phones, maybe we all have a little bit of ADHD somewhere there.
Yeah.
But when is the right time na, teka, I think we need to get this checked already.
Pag tumatagal na siya na hindi mo na siya nakukope. So, kunyari, ideally, kilala mo yung sarili mo, parang hindi, tutulog ko lang to, bukas okay na ako. Pero yung duration, we always look at
Mahaba
duration, parang ang tagal ko ng ganito, hindi ko na siya
Oo.
malampasan. Second, meron nang ang effect sa'yo, may distress sa'yo, or yung ibang tao may distress sa'yo. Yun, pa-check na. Kasi anything that affects you in a negative way and other people in a negative way. So, like in my case, nagpa-check ako nun kasi yung partner ko during that time was bad trip na talaga siya. Sabi ko, sige na ako, gagawin ko to. But, and also if you're starting to dysfunction, like yung sinabi mo kanina na, I want to rest. Meron ng internal struggle na hindi ko na siya magawa. Definitely.
Mhm.
Tsaka, siguro sa akin lang is, eto ha, lagi ko nire-remind sa mga clients na, before you take any medication, before you close the meeting with this professional, ask them, what is this? What will it do to me? And what am I diagnosed with?
Mm.
Minsan kasi yung mga tao, pupunta lang sila doon, tapos titake lang nila yung medications. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung na-expect. You have the right to ask, what am I diagnosed with?
Oo.
Is this a long-term thing?
Yeah.
What if I decide to wean off of it? Because
Oo,
merong
tama.
medication.
Ano yung
Yes.
exit frame mo
Kasi-
dito?
Yes, ano yung
Kasi-
exit?
Oh yeah, that's a good point.
Yes.
Kasi minsan gusto mong umokay na agad
Yup.
Oo.
without asking all of those
Yup.
questions eh.
I'll give another example. Like,
Oo.
there's a medication called SSRI.
Mhm.
Okay? Yung SSRI, pag binibigay siya sa mga may depression or anxiety, etc. Or minsan ADHD din, ang lack kasi ng mga professionals na iba, hindi nila yung na-explain na hindi siya parang gamot na pag ininom mo, okay ka na.
Magic, oo.
No. Ang SSRI, it will take effect after a week.
Mm.
So what happens
So you
is
take
that
every day until
Oo,
after a week.
at saka may
siya
ano
tama.
yan, gradual increase
Okay.
yan. Ngayon, ang tao, pag hindi nila alam yun, titake nila 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, tapos sabi niya, wala naman nangyayari, mag-out. Nagkaka-withdrawal sila, lalong lalala yung symptom. So I always encourage clients na bago ka mag-take, tanungin mo, ano to?
Mhm.
Anong side effects? Hanggang kailan ako nakaganto? At anong diagnosis ko? So that when you take something, you also know if it's working or not.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, mine, because I knew na pagka-take ko na naging quiet yung brain ko, because I knew it was gonna do that,
Uh-huh.
it's not just placebo, but you would actually feel it. Unlike other antidepressants, lahat ng tao nagka-quit bigla after 4 or 5 days, hindi pa talaga yun yung peak effect niya.
Mhm.
So, ang masakit doon, mag-withdrawal siya ng lampas 3 days, 4 days ulit.
Mhm.
Cause,
Parang deeper hole pa.
yeah,
deeper
actually,
hole.
mas malala.
Pero hindi ba dapat ina-explain talaga ng mga doktor yan?
Maraming doctors ang hindi nag-explain.
Diba?
Ideally,
That's
sorry.
why.
Dapat nandito na tayo sa topic.
Okay.
How do you know if you're supposed to see a psychiatrist
Chris.
or a psychologist?
Good
We always work
point.
together naman. So, nothing in psychotherapy kasi yung sa amin eh. Sa mga psychiatrists, sa totoo lang, ang goal kasi ng psychiatrist is mag-stable yung body mo. Di ka makatulog, boom. Malakas yung panic attack mo, boom. Yun lang talaga sila. I'm sorry, I'm not disqualifying it, but they will never ask about, well, not naman never, but they don't focus on ano nagtitrigger dito, ano root nito.
Oo.
Ang goal nila
oo.
is mag-stabilize ka.
Oo, kumbaga,
Okay.
Tapos, nire-refer sila sa amin.
prescribe
Kami
kasi
ngayon yung
ng
mahirap.
medicine sa kanila, no? Sila
Yes.
nagbibigay ng gamot. So,
Yes.
dapat, collaboration
Yes.
ito. Pareho mo silang dapat
Yes.
puntahan.
May mga times naman ako ang nagre-refer sa psychiatrist
Oo,
kasi
pag
nothing
kailangan
in the
na.
brain will work kasi nga this person is in talagang
May mga taong
withdrawals.
kailangan na ng
talaga
gamot.
ng ano.
Pero as much as possible, mas
Both.
gusto mo rin na wala minsan.
Na medication.
Oo.
Ideally, tama yung ginawa. Mas maganda talaga psychologist muna.
yes.
Kasi ang psychologist,
Agree.
they
Totally
have
agree.
all sorts of assessments already.
Yeah.
Tapos sila yung magsasabi na, then yes, you should go to your psychiatrist. But if kaya pa siyang i-address doon pa lang ng lifestyle changes, nagbe-better naman yung ibang clients
Kasi
ng
I asked
lifestyle.
about it, no? And yun ang unang tanong sa akin. There was like sa ano pa lang, I inquired sa secretary pa lang. Sir, did you want to say psychiatrist or psychologist? So doon pa lang sabi ko, kapucha. pati ako.
Nalito ka na.
Hindi ko sa kanya reply sa kanya, you tell me.
That's a good question.
No, because
Yeah.
I didn't want to ask her. Baka na sobrang bobo ng tingin niya sa akin. Ayoko naman tanong.
So, ano sinagot mo?
Sabi ko, hindi, napag-google ulit ako. Syempre, para, diba?
Google mo na ba?
Tama
Gusto mo
naman.
I
yun?
do understand that there's a difference na talagang
Yeah.
meds focused ng psychiatrist.
Yeah.
So, initially, I actually said psychiatrist.
Oh.
But then,
But then?
I took it back after a day and said, maybe I'll see a psychologist first.
Okay.
And kikwento ko muna until, but this is what I did. Okay, I'm not sure this works for everyone. I just told the person, the secretary na, so I'll see a psychologist first. Tapos pag nireco ni psychologist na,
Saka
na
mag-psychiatrist.
maybe you should see a psychiatrist, and then I'm gonna move to the psychiatrist and
Yes,
take,
that's
take
the
the
best
meds.
route. That's the best route. The problem kasi, okay, the difficult or medyo mas risky kasi pag nauna ka sa psychiatrist na yun na nga, nabigyan ka na ng
Gamot agad.
medication.
Magiging
Pero,
dependent ka sa gamot, no?
yeah, at saka,
Hindi pa
pero hindi mo na nahuli yung
na-assess.
root.
Oo, yun nga, na-assess.
Kumbaga parang, ang sakit ng ulo ko, tapos pabalik-balik siya. Binigyan ka ng nawala yung sakit ng ulo mo, pero hindi mo alam bakit. So,
Yun, correct.
ang
That's what I
nangyayari,
wanted to figure
sumasakit lang din yung ulo mo paulit-ulit.
And for me, my goal was or is to find out why.
Yeah.
Why I'm like this.
Yeah.
Why do
correct.
I get these? Why is it hard for me to rest?
Yeah.
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 Yun yung gusto
yeah.
ko malaman eh.
Oh, and
Yeah.
it's nice that you're addressing it.
Correct,
Oo.
correct.
So, okay yun.
Yun, nakakapagod din siya.
True.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine yun nga. I kwento ko sa inyo to off the air kanina na I actually had to take a mental health break.
Mm.
So I went to the beach na walang gagawin. Pero kahit doon, parang naghahanap pa rin ako ng... And
Tatrabahuhin, yeah.
Ironically, when I went for the mental health break, nagkasakit ako.
Oo.
Like, I was like, how fucked up
Yeah.
is
Uy,
this?
pero
Yeah.
magkakonekta daw yung ano ha,
Mm.
yung mental tsaka physical health natin.
Sobra.
Right, diba?
Joke ko na sa asawa ko. Sabi ko, so ano talagang ayaw rin ako talaga pagpahingahin. Kasi kung magpapasin ng pahinga, kahit ito, bigyan ka na ng sakit.
Or
Ah,
baka
correct.
hindi na siya sanay na nagpapahinga.
Yeah.
Kaya nagkaganon?
Yeah, so 'di ba babalik ako dun sa sinabi niyo na ano ba yung upside ng ADHD? We handle stress so good.
Oh.
We do. Ito na lang, bigyan ko kayo ng example. Bakit may mga taong kaya umakit sa stage tapos gumawa ng, hello, di ba nakaka-stress yun? Tapos yung iba parang, I would never do that.
I know.
So it has its own pros, which is you are very good at handling stress. In fact, yung mga sobrang nakaka-stress na bagay para sa'yo, sisiyo lang.
Pero, Doc Max, para sa iba, na halimbawa, wala naman silang capacity pumunta sa psychologist. Pero nanonood at nakikinig sa atin ngayon na parang may ADHD ako, paano yun? Anong pwede nilang gawin?
Correct. Take care of your physical body. Ibig sabihin, hanapin, kasi ang mga ADHD, sabi ko nga, very, hyperactive. So, hindi nila naaalagaan yung sarili na circadian rhythm. And this goes for everyone. When you are mentally not okay, before you interpret, find out, analyze, go back to your body. Kasi the brain is just responding to the kind of somatic quality you have. Diba? So, kunyari, yun nga iniisip ko, baka yung kay Sam is, he needs to find a way to manage levels of stress, not necessarily go into medications per se. Kasi ang delikado nga sa medications is may effect din siya ng crash, na pag hindi mo rin naman na-adapt, mas magiging problem.
Backfire.
So, take care of your body.
So,
Your sleep, kain, at saka stimulation.
Sleep, eat, stimulate.
I also want to ask, Doc, since we're on the mental health topic, I'm sure a lot of the viewers and listeners of Legend Paibig Tot, let's touch up briefly on depression as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
3 symptoms that you might be going through depression.
Okay. Una
Which
is,
sorry, I know because it's a lot of people
yeah.
are probably thinking about it and they don't know also. Bakit
Yeah,
parang
yeah.
I wake up, I feel so drained kakasimula na ng araw.
Or
Okay
so
naman tulog ko.
heavy.
Ang heavy, but I can't seem to find happiness in things,
Yeah.
diba? Tapos to the point na you start blocking people who are positive kasi parang
Yup.
Diba?
Naninega na sa'yo. Correct.
yung so
Kaya-
positive mo, negative ka ng tao.
May ganon.
Tangina,
Sobrang lahat
pagka-positive,
na lang
sipahin
positive.
kita dyan,
Never
sobrang
ka
positive.
nagkaroon ng problema.
Diba? So
Oo.
let's touch up on that. I know it's a very broad topic to
It's a
discuss
sensitive
also. But,
topic.
symptoms of depression naman, really
Yan.
quick.
Okay, first is hopelessness. Deep hopelessness. So kanina, kunyari na, hindi ako umabot ng 4 hours, 5 lang. Normal pa yon kasi may gusto pa siya mangyari. Pag yung, ayoko na, yan. Yung wala ka nang makitang hope, ayaw mo na mag-try. Tapos second is yung body mo, sobrang kalaban mo na. Yung gusto ko tumayo pero ayaw. Kasi body,
Okay.
bagsak. The third one is like what you said, isolation. A lot of depressed people isolate because they look at themselves as burden. Ayoko maging pabigat or ayokong makakita ng happy, sila na masaya. And then the last one is, there's also one is appetite. Either lumalakas kumain or nawawala ng gana kumain.
Stress eating or baliktad. Ayaw mo.
Yes. And then another one is sleep. Nagbabago na yung sleep. Dati maayos yung tulog, ngayon kulang or sobra-sobra. There's also insomnia, ibig sabihin difficulty sustaining sleep. Or yun, yung struggle ng patahimikan yung body. Kaya naman din, last one, anger. Like I mentioned this in the past na every emotion that we feel, pinapress down natin kaya magagalitin tayo. Irritability. So all of these symptoms, they have to last at least 2 weeks. So hindi to yung parang 2 days mo pala siya na-experience, depressed na ako. You are experiencing depressive symptoms,
Okay.
but you are not yet in the level na clinically your body chemistry is already changing.
So pag 2 weeks na,
Na mark, yun talagang we can definitely say it's depression.
after depression, what's next? Ano yung worst niyan?
Ng depression?
Uh-huh.
No.
Depression ba yung dulo?
Yeah.
Okay.
Depression na yan.
Okay.
And
Oo.
kumbaga parang we look at 2 weeks because ibig sabihin sustained. You had a lot of opportunities to actually get up, pero hindi mo siya nagawa.
So anxiety muna and then yung medyo mas
Magkapatid
worse
sila
is
si anxiety
them
and
to.
depression, sobra. Magpinsan
Oo,
sila kasi
oo,
si
oo.
depression nasa body.
Oo.
Si anxiety nasa
Sa
brain.
utak.
Oo. So the more na nag-isolate ka, umiingay yung brain mo, di ba? O tinan mo sila, masaya na sila, anxiety. Magkapatid yan, hindi naghihiwalay si depression at anxiety. So we look at them separately though because different yung types of treatment. But we treat both. So, ang
Blood-related ba yan? I mean, namamana.
Oh, yeah.
ADHD, depression, anxiety.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes, that's why when I ask clients, like, meron ba sa family nyo? Kasi namamana siya. Kaya hindi ba biological? Ibig
Pero-
sabihin, nakuha mo siya sa genetics, sa family, pwede.
The thing is sometimes, especially with our generation, yung parents natin, they wouldn't know kasi
Kaya
Oh, yeah.
Kasi such- ngayon siguro-
Nagpapadiagnose nun.
exactly. So,
Mag-pray ka lang.
Oo,
Mag-pray ka.
siyempre,
Ah,
pag tanong mo
correct.
parents mo,
Tapos sinabi ko sa nanay ko na,
oh,
ma, parang nagkaka-anxiety.
Ayaw.
Dasal mo. Ano?
yun nga, exactly. Diba?
Ano ka ba, nung
So,
sinabi ko sa family ko may ADHD
Ano sabi
ako,
sa'yo?
sabi nila, ano yung mga ADHD, HFJ, KLMNOP, tapos sabi ko, grabe.
Oo, ganun talaga.
Ganun
Sabi
sila.
nila, may tawag na sila sa makukulit
Pero
ngayon.
may explanation kasi
It's
for
the generation
that.
also.
Yung generation nila ngayon, the baby boomers, iyan yung era ng yung
Gera.
mga gera-gera.
Correct.
Yeah.
They survived, 'di ba, that era. Kaya talagang feeling nila yung ganitong emotionally
Kailangan maging
impaired
strict.
tayo.
Yes.
Wala lang sa kanila to.
Oh yeah, 100%. Kasi yung, tama yung sinabi mo siya, kailangan natin i-consider saan ba sila lumaking era.
Oo.
Yung mga boomers, all they had to do, or at least ang mindset nila, maging successful ka. Survive mo to. That's it.
Yun
Wala
lang
tayong
yun. No
pakisal-
matter what.
No
Oh,
matter
no
what.
matter what you have
So
to do,
ngayon,
do it.
So, nung nag-open up ka sa nanay mo na
Oo,
lumaki
sabi niya.
doon,
Oo. So marami rin tayong mga ina-address sa mga younger people also to understand this. At dito, sa mga older ones, to understand this kasi ibang ball game din tayo. Nagpapalaki tayo ng mga anak ng may iPad. So we're also torn between, alam nga naman palaking ko siyang walang alam sa iPad, or, di ba, we're also facing different demons today compared to
That's so
their,
true.
ano.
Yeah. I think that's what people have to realize eh.
iba ngayon.
Iba ngayon,
Iba.
but we have to deal with what's happening now. Hindi
Yeah.
natin pwedeng sabihin na, hindi dati kasi
Nung
ganyan.
panahon, exactly.
Oh, kasi wala eh. We understand dati talaga ganun. Pero yun eh.
Yeah.
Now we're dealing with a whole different era, a whole different
Yes.
world. It's different challenges that we
Even
deal
dating.
with.
Dating
Oo,
nowadays is
true.
like sobrang swipe. Dati pag kailangan mo mag-date, hintayin
Lalabas
mo siya
ka.
doon.
Doorbell
Oo,
yan.
yeah. Lalabas ka.
Di ba, huhulihin?
Mag-e-effort ka.
Magsusulat ka ng letter.
True.
So we are different in terms of generational struggles also.
Mhm.
So yes, there are a lot of people who are developing ADHD, and siguro another thing lang, if what do we do then? Sabihin natin nagkaka-depression, nagkaka-anxiety. Just do one step to break the pattern.
So, this is also the reason kung ba't ang daming nasa fitness era.
Yeah.
Is it?
No?
Is
Because
Yeah.
ang daming may ADHD, so they're
Yeah.
trying to, or ang daming may depression, anxiety, they're
to
trying
break
to break
that,
it, they're
yeah.
trying to fight it.
100%. Kasi 'di ba, when you're working out, you're actually inflicting pain.
Mhm.
And as you're experiencing the pain, you get the reward after. Kaya to answer your question, bakit mas gusto natin sinestress yung sarili natin? Kasi nga, na-pair ng brain natin na pag nasa-stress ako, I feel good after.
Oo.
So, ang hinahanap natin is not the pain, but feeling good after.
Okay, now we know. Kasi minsan, pag may nakita tayo na pinost niya, halimbawa ganito, uy, ang bilis.
Mm.
Alam nyo, wag na natin silang i-judge kasi baka may pinagdadaanan silang matindi.
Oo.
Why they're so into that
Yeah.
sport.
Ako rin naman na parang,
Oo,
yung parang,
no? Totoo
let's say,
yun.
kinain na ng high rocks or
Oo, yun na
something.
nga eh.
May alam mo,
May
mga
mga
friends
ganun
tayo
ako.
dyan. na parang,
Sabi ko, be, parang
Oo.
doon na sila sa gym nakatira.
Oo, diba?
Totoo.
Hindi na sila umuwi. Pero yun pala.
For them,
Now,
yun nga.
now,
To feel good.
mas klaro.
People will never
Kung ba't
do
ang
anything that
daming
feels
nasa
bad.
fitness era ngayon is because ang taas nung level ng depression, anxiety, and ADHD dito.
stress.
And stress.
And stress.
Oo.
I actually read this article that said that's why nga even people are even flying out to do marathons elsewhere, high rocks elsewhere.
Yeah.
Parang yung vacation nila, yun talaga yung release from the Philippines.
Yes.
Saka yung
Philippine
inflicting
stress.
pain to yourself. Diba?
Yeah.
Para kasing sinasaktan mo yung sarili mo every time you train, you work out.
Mhm.
So, hindi mo naiisip kung ano yung problema mo at
and
kinakastresan mo.
And when you've achieved something like that, you feel better than the problem.
Yes.
Bigger than the problem.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which in,
Yes.
in effect makes you feel good.
Yeah,
Parang, okay, kinaya ko nga itong
Yup.
8 station na to,
Oo,
di ba?
oo.
In less than 2 hours. Ano pa kaya itong problema to? It's a small thing na lang.
Yes.
That's
Kaya
nice.
hindi lahat ng inuulit natin at the end of it, because it feels good.
Mm.
Kaya lang yun yung kailangan natin ilugar na, is it healthy for me?
Oh,
Because it
healthy pa
feels
ba
good.
siya?
Parang kunyari may nahabol kang babae tas ayaw sa'yo.
Oo.
'Di ba? Parang you want to earn this person, you want to get this person, but healthy ba para sa'yo?
Oo.
Kasi yes, it's gonna make you feel good, but that intermittent on and off feeling can be addicting. Actually, yan ang number 1 ingredient ng addiction. Hindi ka laging mananalo. Kaya pag nanalo ka, sobrang ang addiction thrives in that, in the intermittent rewards.
Dopamine, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
You're after the dopamine na, okay,
The
kaya ko to,
chase.
the chase.
Yeah.
But also, tama yung sinabi ni Cha. I'm gonna double up on what you said na for those na naiinis minsan na parang to puro post na ng
Nairita ka na, numuntik mo na
ng
i-unfollow.
fitness era nila.
Oo, parang araw-araw Strava na lang. Oo.
And then,
But we have to understand
Correct.
na baka meron silang pinagdadaanan emotionally
We
at
don't
doon
know.
nila nilalabas sa
Nilalabas.
exercise, running, cycling, high rocks, yung stress nila.
And if they want to post their achievements, if they want to
Let it
post,
be.
let it be. If
Yup.
you're
Let it
uncomfortable with them posting, unfollow or mute. If you don't
Yup.
wanna,
Yup.
so you don't want them to know, kaibigan sila, magagalit sila pag
Oo.
unfollow mo, i-mute mo. They won't
Yup.
know that
They
you
won't
don't.
know.
They won't know.
Siguro ang non-negotiable lang sa akin yung mga associated sa flood control pa rin.
Nakala
Talaga
ko,
di ko kaya.
kato
Kahit gaano kabilis space mo pag alam kong
Oh.
yung pinang fly mo dyan kung saan
Oh,
eh,
diba?
galing.
Exactly.
Naku, nasingit ko pa rin. Nasingit
Diba?
ko pa rin.
Sa pagkabisi ko na to.
Totoo yan.
Oo.
Totoo yan.
So, well, we hope we were able to cover a couple of things and answer a couple of questions
yeah.
that you might have with regards to ADHD, depression, mental health. Doc Max, thank you so much for joining us. Is there
Doc.
an,
Busy na naman.
Hindi, pero yung contact
And thank you so
number
much,
mo.
Papi, for sharing
Yeah,
of
thank
course.
you.
I mean,
what you're
it's,
going through. Oo.
Yun nga, like people always say, parang ang saya mo naman lagi, ganyan.
Yeah.
And it catches up.
Pero ako,
Things-
nararamdaman ko na may something. Sinabi
Things
ko nga yun
catch
sa asawa ko, kasi
Mm.
ko parang may something kay Papi.
So, yeah,
I
but
do hope you
Kulang ka lang sa
be
rides,
well.
ha?
Oo, baka kulang lang sa pahinga.
Oo.
Minsan sa pahinga lang talaga yan, di ba?
ways for people to contact you.
So I have a website. Just type Maxine Hiron Psychotherapy.
Wow!
Wala pa yun
Wala
last
pa
time.
yan.
Wala pa last time
Ang
yan. ha?
Maxine Hiron Psychotherapy. And
Oh, yan.
also in
Instagram.
Instagram.
Serving sa Instagram, Maxine Hiron.
Ayun.
Okay.
Lagay namin dito kung saan
Okay.
nyo man siya pwede mahanap. Thank you so much.
Thank
No,
you so
thank
much
you.
also.
Always a
Thank
pleasure,
you.
you guys.
So,
So
on
much
that
learnings.
note, so much learnings. Medyo seryoso past episode,
Yeah.
but so much learnings. But we're gonna catch you guys on the next step. My name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
Be safe, be good, stay healthy
Be well,
mentally.
guys. Bye-bye.